Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where we have for sale here top of the range new Range Rover Sport top 350 diesel Autobiography. It is absolutely in fantastic condition. The paintwork is like glass. It's got all the extras, so you've got the front park distance control, surround camera, unmarked diamond cut 23-inch upgraded alloy wheels. And just look at the paintwork, reflection off that, absolutely immaculate. Again, scorpion tyres on the car all round, privacy glass, rear park distance control, side steps, front and rear mud guards, black pack all the way around. It is in absolutely fantastic condition. There we go. Electric rear tailgate. Got a storage compartment there for your shopping. Parcel shelf, extra space all back there. Electric operating rear seats. It's a huge amount of space when they're down. Full leather interior to the rear, electric seats as well, climate control and heated rear seats, full tilt slide panoramic roof, Meridian sound system, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. Just show you in here, full leather. Inside the car, it's just a lovely place to be. 18,923 miles on it at the moment. Will go up due to use. Full climate control, different driving styles.